For decades, BVA Hydraulics has a proven history of providing industry-leading quality and service for a variety of applications. Industries like mining and construction know that safety and minimizing costly downtime is critical to any operation. That's why we offer high-power pumps with custom safety features, like our PAR series air pumps that operate 10,000 psi of pressure with no spark to safely use in areas of potential hazardous or flammable gases. BVA aluminum cylinders are a popular choice in mining and other industries for the same powerful high-tonnage force packed in a lightweight design that can be carried across job sites. If it's extra staying power you're looking for, our locknut cylinders can provide maximum working pressure and still support heavy loads like bridges and dam projects for extended periods without hydraulic pressure through our safety locknut system. Our electric pumps are known for their portability and versatility to work in even the most remote locations with all the power you'll need to get the job done right. High-pressure hydraulics are an essential tool in areas of pipe flanges and nuts that require tons of pressure and torque to open large pipe fixtures in oil and gas and other industries. BVA products are also commonly used throughout the manufacturing industry, whether it's manufacturing production applications, planned scheduled shutdown maintenance, or unforeseen equipment failure. We have the powerful solutions to help navigate your toughest obstacles. With our wide range of high-pressure hydraulic products and accessories, it's no wonder why the BVA name is seen at job sites around the world for their strength, durability, and ability to handle any size job. BVA Hydraulics, always there, where you need it and when you need it to lighten the load on your next project.